Hey people, see, you know what? It's a Monday, and normally we are always housebound.
This girl in.
Yeah, we are normally housebound, but you know what happened? That black rabbit has chewed up my the charger. Yeah, the phone charger. I was like crazy mad. You know, like so. Basically, this phone right now is at 14% charge, and I'm beginning to look
Black
like
one
a
is
rabbit
still alive
myself.
from the rant.
Yeah. So what? Wonder ant.
No, the black one is still alive from the ant.
from
Rant.
from the rant. Yeah, no, he is obviously alive. He is making us all dead. That's the thing. But anyway, the phone is running at just 14% charge, so we need to rush. And now we are all dressed. We need to go to the nearest shop and pick up the phone charger. Otherwise, we are left without a charger, without phone, without anything. So I'll catch you all, folks. I'll see you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.